Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The Best Bob James Feel Like Making Live is probably one of the most iconic and influential live albums in the jazz-funk fusion genre, capturing the legendary keyboardist Bob James and his band at the height of their powers, delivering a performance that is both technically brilliant and soulfully captivating, making it an essential listen for any serious music aficionado looking to experience the pinnacle of live jazz improvisation and groove. Number 5. Revlon Volcanic Stone Face Roller. Tired of excess shine? This tool instantly mattifies your skin, giving you a flawless, shine-free look in seconds. Keep your makeup looking perfect all day. It effectively removes excess oil without disturbing your foundation or concealer. Whether you're at home or out and about, achieve a fresh, matte complexion anytime, anywhere. Simply roll it over your skin. Say goodbye to wasteful blotting papers. This roller is made from real volcanic stone, offering a reusable and washable solution for shine control. Its compact design makes it incredibly portable. Keep it in your bag for quick touch-ups whenever you need to banish shine. Need a refresh? Refills are simple. You can easily swap out the roller balls without needing to buy a whole new device. What we like. This product instantly mattifies and absorbs oil for a shine-free look. It's better than blotting papers because it's made from real volcanic stone and is reusable. If you have oily skin and want a quick touch-up without ruining your makeup, this is the perfect on-the-go solution. What people say. The album features a fantastic live performance. The sound quality on this live recording is exceptional. Bob James's signature keyboard skills are on full display. Number 4. Osmo Genius Starter Kit for iPad. Introducing the Osmo Genius Starter Kit, an innovative way for children to learn through play. It combines physical game pieces with digital interaction on an iPad. This kit features 5 engaging educational games designed to boost skills in math, spelling, creativity, and more. It's perfect for curious minds aged 6 to 10. Experience the magic as your child's game pieces come to life on screen. They'll interact with physical objects, making learning feel like pure fun. Enjoy uninterrupted gameplay as it doesn't require a Wi-Fi connection. The included Osmo base ensures a smooth and immersive experience. Recognized for its effectiveness and fun, this award-winning system brings educational content to life. It's a fantastic STEM toy gift for any child. The kit includes the Osmo base and everything needed to begin the adventure. Just add your compatible iPad, and let the learning game begin. What we like. This is a magical learning experience where children interact with physical game pieces and an iPad, bringing their actions to life. It offers fun-filled, award-winning educational games for math, spelling, and creativity. If you're looking for an engaging STEM toy that makes learning fun for kids aged 6 to 10, this starter kit is an excellent choice. What people say. Numbers, such a great game for math skills. There's a whole lot of basic math work, adding, subtracting, and when it got to multiplying and the numbers got a little higher, we had to stop. Tangram, this one is a winner. My kid had so much fun playing this game, it's almost her favorite. It comes with the tandem pieces in different shapes and colors and you have to put them together to create a figure. The app will help and guide you all the way, which is so fun and helpful. I think this one is unique because it never makes them glued to the screen. As far as a kid is concerned, it's like they are playing with chips of a board game or using a pen to draw and competing to finish the challenges thrown by the screen. That is so cool. Number 3. CARFIA Polarized Sunglasses CA5354. Introducing CARFIA Polarized Sunglasses, designed for the modern woman. Experience clarity and comfort with these stylish shades. Crafted with high-quality acetate, these sunglasses offer a lightweight yet durable feel. They are built to last and designed for everyday wear. Designed to fit small to medium face shapes perfectly, they provide a secure and comfortable fit. You'll love how they look and feel. Protect your eyes with advanced UV 400 lenses that block harmful rays. Enjoy reduced glare for clearer vision, even in bright sunlight. The CA5354 model is more than just sunglasses, it's your essential accessory for any occasion. Elevate your style and protect your vision. What we like. These sunglasses offer polarized lenses with UV 400 protection, effectively reducing glare and protecting your eyes. The acetate frame provides a stylish and durable design. If you prioritize eye protection and clear vision while looking fashionable, these are a great pick for everyday wear. What people say. They seem of pretty good quality. I take very good care of them, always keeping them in a case, not putting them on the top of my head, etc., and they are holding up nicely. As for the polarization, I'm not sure how good that is. They did do a great job of cutting sun glare. I've worn them on the beach in bright sunshine, and I love them for driving. These are great sunglasses, and I choose them over my expensive pairs. They block the sun well, they're a good size if you're petite, they won't feel oversized, and they're a flattering shape. These glasses look great, feel great, and work great. They are polarized and work perfectly in the sunlight. My head is a little smaller than most people's, so I chose the narrow frames. They're too big for kids but just the right size for my small adult face. I just replaced my loose Ray-Bans with these pretty peach glasses and I love it. They fit more securely on my face so I don't need to worry about them falling off and getting scratches. Number 2. I love it here. Discover a place where comfort meets convenience. You'll find yourself wanting to stay, day after day. Escape the everyday and immerse yourself in a unique experience. This is the destination you've been dreaming of. Build unforgettable moments in a setting designed for joy. Every visit promises new adventures and cherished memories. Feel welcomed and at home from the moment you arrive. It's more than just a place, it's a community. Treat yourself to an experience that delights all your senses. You deserve this moment of pure enjoyment. What we like. This product is all about embracing a positive and contented state of being. It encourages a feeling of satisfaction with your current surroundings and circumstances. If you're someone who values peace, gratitude, and enjoying the present moment, this is a wonderful reminder to cherish where you are. What people say. Clint introduces the reader to the Undercover Millennial program. He lays a solid foundation with initial research that explains why the topic of workplace culture is important and relevant. The Undercover Millennial program included interviews of thousands of millennials and younger workers to better understand what they loved, why they loved their job, and what they did not enjoy. Clint has a unique way of allowing the reader to reflect on their own experiences within the workplace, while also educating leaders on what truly resonates with employees when it comes to leadership in the workplace. When a leader delegates to her team, she doesn't abdicate all responsibility. There is still oversight, guidance, and accountability that needs to take place. It's possible to give your people both, while not feeling like you're losing control. Number 1. The Magic of Manifesting, 15 Advanced Techniques. Are you ready to attract the life you've always dreamed of? This guide offers powerful techniques to help you manifest your desires. Even if you feel it's impossible right now, these methods can shift your reality. Discover how to overcome obstacles and embrace possibility. Explore 15 advanced strategies designed to enhance your manifestation power. Each technique is practical and effective. Master the core principles of the law of attraction. These essentials will form the foundation for your success. Learn to harness the universe's energy to bring your deepest desires into your life. Start manifesting today. It's time to transform your reality and create the life you deserve. This is your essential guide to achieving it. What we like. This book delves into advanced techniques for manifesting your ideal life, even when it seems impossible. It focuses on the principles of the law of attraction to help you achieve your goals. If you're interested in personal growth, achieving your dreams, and believe in the power of positive thinking and intention, this guide is for you. What people say. Ryu makes more sense to me than the others. He relates things to scientific realities and clearly explains things. Excellent book on the basics of changing your outlook and perspective to manifest and make your life become more of the potential you were meant to live. The author's writing is clearly in alignment with universal truths and flows with constructive practices that are easily actionable. Despite their power, the exercises are deceptively simple and can be easily woven into one's daily life. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.